يوصيكم الله في أولادكم للذكر مثل حظ الأنثيين.
Assalaamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this video, we will work through the example in exercise 10.1. This is within the Munaasakha chapter, and the answers to this exercise will be found at the end of the video. In this example, Ahmad dies, leaving behind his mother, Maryam, two sons, Yahya and Yusuf, and a daughter, Khadija. Then, before the estate of Ahmad is distributed, his mother, Maryam, also dies, leaving behind only her grandchildren, Yusuf, Yahya, and Khadija. And then again, before Ahmad's estate can be distributed, his son, Yusuf, also passes away, and he leaves behind his two siblings, Yahya and Khadija only. Now, firstly, we can recognize that this is a case of Munaasakha, where somebody's estate has not been distributed, and before it's distributed, then some of the heirs have also passed away. And there's two scenarios, and this is scenario one. So this occurs when the original heirs of the deceased and their successors, meaning the other heirs who have passed away also, are exactly the same. So the heirs of Ahmad are the same. Maryam's heirs are also these same people. There's no new person. And Yusuf's heirs are also these same people. No new person is involved. This is a case of scenario one Munaasakha, and the method of working this out is different to scenario two. It's a little bit easier. So we'll start off first by giving out the shares for Ahmad. His mother gets sudus because they are children. His sons and daughter will get lidhakar between them. Next, we choose a base number. Well, there's only one fraction, so the base number is going to be 6. Sudus of 6 for the mother is 1, and the remaining 5 shares go to the children. Now, that can be distributed amongst the children, because if we count each male as 2, so that's 2, 4, and the daughter as 1, so that's 5. That can be distributed. So Yusuf will get 2, Yahya will get 2, and Khadija will get 1. And now that's all sorted. So that's Ahmad's inheritance sorted. However, before the money and the estate got distributed, Maryam passed away. So the first thing we do is we put a box around Maryam. And this will help us in the future when there's multipliers, meaning we don't multiply any number that's inside the box. So we put a box around Maryam, and for scenario one Munaasakha, all we have to do is subtract that amount from the base number. So Maryam had 1 share, we subtract it from the 6 base number, and it becomes 5. So that's Maryam's part sorted. Next, again, before Ahmad's estate got distributed, Yusuf also passed away, so we do the exact same thing. We put a box around Yusuf, and we subtract his 2 shares from the base number. So it was already 5, and we subtract the 5. We subtract 2 from 5, and it becomes 3. So now the base number will be 3. Yahya will get 2 parts, and Khadija will get 1 part. And luckily for us, the money has also been mentioned. So there's £360. We just do £360 divided by the base number 3, which is £120, and we times it by 2 for Yahya, becomes 240, and you times it by 1 for Khadija, it'll be 120. So therefore, in summary, the base number will be 3, Yahya will get 2 shares, and Khadija will get 1. The £360 will be divided into £240 for Yahya and £120 for Khadija. And there is the longer way would be to work out what Maryam gets and then divide it by hers, and to work out what Yusuf gets and divide it into his heirs. That would require 3 different solutions, and then adding it all up. But this is a much quicker way. However, this quick way only works when it's scenario 1, where no new heirs are added on into the question. They are all the same. Jazakallah.
ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم